You have been showing up for life in so many ways, even in moments no one else has seen. And today, you get to meet yourself with that same quiet appreciation. Take a slow breath in and let it go gently. If it feels comfortable, you might begin to notice yourself just as you are right now. No need to adjust anything. No need to change anything. Just a quiet awareness of your presence, your breath, your being. And somewhere within that noticing, a soft understanding can begin to form that you've been doing more than enough in your own way. As you settle a little more, if it feels natural, you might imagine yourself in a simple, peaceful moment. Perhaps a slow walk under soft sunlight, or sitting by a window with a warm cup of tea in your hands, or even just lying down, feeling supported, at ease. There's no right way to picture this. Just let something gentle come to you. Notice the feeling of that moment. The quiet ease, the softness of it. Not because everything is perfect, but because nothing is being asked of you there. Sometimes the most meaningful moments are the ones that ask nothing from us, and you are allowed to rest in that kind of space. And as you stay here, gently present, you might begin to notice all the small ways you've been showing up for life. Not in big, loud moments, but in quiet, steady ones. The times you kept going. The times you cared. The times you tried, even in your own way. There's no need to list them. Just a soft recognition is enough. Even the quietest efforts carry meaning. And maybe, just for a moment, you can let yourself feel that without needing to measure it. And if it feels right, you might allow an image to arise. perhaps a younger version of you, your inner child, just as they were. There's no need to see them clearly. Just a gentle sense is enough. And notice how naturally something softens within you. There may be a quiet warmth, a sense of care, a natural tenderness, because somewhere deep within, you already know how to be gentle. Love, in its truest form, doesn't ask for perfection. It simply stays. And if it feels comfortable, you might let that presence come a little closer. Not to change anything, just to be there. And slowly, gently, that same feeling of care can begin to include you as you are today. No effort needed. Just a quiet widening of that warmth. The way you might care for a small plant, watering it patiently, allowing it to grow in its own time. Or the way you might protect a peaceful moment without rushing it away. Or the way you would hold a child, with patience, with warmth, with understanding. And you are allowed to receive this love and warmth from yourself. And as you rest here, you might notice how life often offers small moments of ease. A breath of fresh air, the feeling of sunlight on your skin, the quiet comfort of familiar spaces. These moments are always there, waiting gently without urgency. Not everything meaningful needs to be big. Sometimes it's found in the smallest pauses. And in your own way, you've already been part of these beautiful and fulfilling moments, even if only for a second, even if you didn't notice at the time. Let yourself feel the bliss and contentment. Take a slow, steady breath in, and let it go softly. Notice what feels different, even if it's just a small sense of ease. Let this thought settle within you. You are already doing enough. And you are allowed to be kind to yourself along the way. You don't need to hold onto this perfectly. You can return to this softness whenever you need. In small moments, in quiet ways, in your own time. And that is more than enough. Take one last breath. And when you're ready, gently come back